Hello everyone, this is the third problem out of 30 of the 2022 Purple Comet Math Competition. Let's have a view of this problem. An isosceles triangle has a base length with 12 and the altitude to the base has length 18. Find the area of the region of the points inside the triangle that are distance of at most 3 from that altitude. So this length is 18 and then this length is 12. And we want to find, and then the shaded region is the locus of all points that are distance of at most 3 from this altitude. So we know that this region over here will be 3, and this region over here will be 3. And then what else do we know? We know that this figure is completely symmetric about the altitude because this is an isosceles triangle. So we know that these must be 3 as well. Now what we can do is we can cleverly draw a dashed line here. Reason being is, one, we split this into a little bit more, just a rectangle and a triangle. And secondly, we actually do get similar triangles. For example, if we look at this and then this, so we may actually be able to derive some side relationships. So let's see what this is about. So let's call this length x from the base to the dashed line. So this is also x. And then what we want to do is we want to find some similar relationships. So if we know the altitude is 18, then we know that this part over here must be 18 minus x. So we can go ahead and say, and then this is also 3. This is getting a little bit congested, but that's 3, and this is 3. So we can say that 18 minus x to 3 is equal to 18 over 6. So that just comes from similar triangle relationships. We can cross multiply. 18 times 6 is 60 plus 48, 108, minus 6x is equal to 54. So 6x is equal to, that should be 54. So we do get x is equal to 9, and that will allow us to finish this problem. So we know that we have this figure, probably not drawn the best. So we know that this is 6, because 3 plus 3 is 6, this is 9, and then we know that this is 6, and we know the altitude is nothing but 18 minus x, which is 18 minus 9, which is 9, and we want to find the area of this. The rectangle is just 9 times 6, which is 54. The triangle is 9 times 6 over 2, that's 9 times 3, which is 27. So adding these, we get 81, and we are done.